Got us some dinner. Some triggerfish. Chicken of the sea. Big one. I had spearfish, a big fat triggerfish that I bathed in a really rich beer batter, and then we fried it over a crackling beach fire, and it was so damn yummy. Good?
Good.
I am at the Rio Santa Lucia, about maybe 5 miles upriver, and I'm anchored here where a little stream's coming out, and it's been the most quiet anchorage ever. It's been really beautiful sleep. And I'm gonna head down river now and into a little side arm. Apparently there's a little village called UNTIE, and I think I might need some diesel. I'm gonna pick up anchor now. I had to wait for the tide to rise a little bit. Now the tide is against me. It's a upcoming tide, but I have to go over a little bar where it's quite shallow, so I need to be like half upcoming tide to get in there. And then we'll see. The charts are completely off as usual, so you have to kind of like make your way slowly, but I think we will make it. And if you come in the upcoming tide, you know, even if you get stuck, usually the tide will manage you getting back up. So there's a little river delta coming up where my CMAP charts are different from my Navionics charts, which are different from the Bauhaus charts. So none of them are right. The Navionic ones seem to be the closest, but they show a little island which doesn't really exist for real in nature, so maybe it got washed away or something. So it's really more like a guess, and you just have to kind of like go slow and find your way through it. So there's like a whole dry patch apparently coming out from that edge on port side, and then on starboard there's supposed to be another one, so I have to go all the way around and then into the river which goes that direction. You can see all the little eddies. Whoa, 4.0. So those are like, there's always like little shallow spots under there. 3.5, okay, I gotta watch out a little. All of that over there looks fairly shallow. Okay, I'm gonna dare the entry to the river. So I'm just gonna putt in and see if it works. And if it doesn't, then I have to turn around. I still have 2 hours till high tide. Probably like a meter of water left, so if I go slow I should be fine. Okay, now it's getting shallow really fast. We just went from 12 to 4. Alright, it's going down to 1.8, 1.9, and we should be having 5 by now here. So I wouldn't be able to anchor up here anyway, so it's I think I'm gonna turn around. insanely pretty, but also quite the waves coming in. So I need to see if I can find a spot that's not too insane. Especially now it's high tide when I'm arriving, so I gotta make sure I anchor far out enough so the waves don't get me when the tide goes out. Probably just gonna anchor up pretty far out and then see what they do. But for today, this is gonna be it. Roly-poly. Man, look at that beach. You know how people say don't you get bored being by yourself on a sailboat? Well, there's so many things to do, like supervising your rain catcher is one of them. What does that mean? You sit through the rainstorm and watch if the wind is still okay for the rain catcher to be up, so it doesn't become a massive sail. And every once in a while, if there's enough water collected here on the side, I need to push it up a little bit so it doesn't go over the side. It seems that the first big front has passed, and now we're left with a little bit of rumbling and lightning. So let's see if there's gonna be another set. I'm gonna make myself some tea. Yerba buena, peppermint tea. And wait another 10-15 minutes, and then if this is it, then I'll take down the rain catcher again. I'm not sitting outside anymore because it's gotten a little bit too crazy. I think it was good to take the rain catcher in, because the next front came like 180 degrees from the other direction, and it came with 20-25 knots of wind. Not for long, but still, I think my rain catcher is not really good for that kind of wind. It is really quite the light show. It's like everywhere all the time, like completely. Would be good rain to go into the tank. No, I'll wait for the next one. I went to shore yesterday and talked to the guys from the surf lodge here in Morro Negrito, and I bought myself a surfing buddy for today for $10 to improve my surfing skills a little bit. I mean, I know kind of like the basics, but really I think I suck. So Louise is gonna help me to improve my surfing, hopefully. And super exciting, my board has been made for me by Manny's brother in California. It's actually custom made. It's a White Spot Pirates board. You're gonna see it. It's pretty cool. It's never been used, so it's gonna be exciting. Can't wait to try it out. gonna be my surf friend today. Not so sure about these waves yet. Unfortunately, my GoPro case is not waterproof anymore, so there is no footage of my outstanding surfing performance. Well, it looks like the surf break is over and it's time to hop further down the coast. But more about that next week.